Terraform remote state is configured when the project is initialized. During this process, it looks for a backend configuration in the project directory and uses it to configure the Terraform. To use the remote state configuration, you'll use the AWS resources used by Terraform to store and lock your remote state file. So it's going to deploy a VPC subnet in EC2. The Terraform TF state file will be stored in an S3 bucket. Can then be used by multiple developers in a central place. The DynamoDB table will prevent changes to that file. Click the following command to run it in a new terminal window. So set some environment variables. And then run the following commands to create the bucket. Click the following command to configure encryption on the bucket. And then enable versioning. Storing the state file remotely is great for central storage, however there's a risk of multiple users working on the state file at the same time. Multiple users with access to the same state file at once can lead to work being overridden or the state file being corrupted. State locking is a feature that prevents the state from being opened when it's in use. DynamoDB table is used by Terraform, and then it set and unsets the state lock. So we'll create the table, which has a lock ID primary key to store the lock. The key name will follow a pattern of bucket name path. Then we have to insert the code using the S3 bucket that we created. So we need we don't need the HTTP stuff. The backend block refers to how the Terraform manages state file. It's got bucket, key, region, table name, encryption. Key is the S3 object key of the remote state. Okay, so we I can't tell if that database is connected, but I guess we can run it again. But initialized, I've got a lock file, no state file, so I'm assuming that's good. Yeah, you'll notice there's no state file. Oh, it's got another empty result. Is that because the fucking AMI is wrong again? Yeah, no, that one doesn't exist. Nothing. Let's find another one then. Choose that one. I fucking cancelled it, knob. I was trying to copy the fucking error and it cracked out. Well, my check worked. Yeah, I don't know why it says it's tainted. Doesn't matter now, it's going to get